Hey, what's for dinner? Roast beef? That's the girl's favorite.
We just had dinner. The girls have gone to the concert with their boyfriends.
What boyfriends? When did they start dating? I told them they're not supposed to start dating until they're 18.
They are 32 years old now, and they've moved out a few years ago.
Hey, what's for dinner? I'm hungry.
We just had dinner. Have some, Mother. Wow, Selena, I can't believe it's been 40 years now. I want to make this anniversary a memorable one. You know, James has been through so much lately.
That's wonderful, Emma. Let's plan something truly special. Let's plan a surprise party for James and family and friends.
That's a fantastic idea. I must invite everyone who has been part of our journey.
Well, I'm so excited for both you and James. I'm looking forward to this.
What's all these for?
Oh, we're planning a little get together with our university friends. It's been a long time since we haven't hung out with them. So it's a special occasion. It gives us a good opportunity to see them again.
What occasion?
Oh, well, Tom and Linda just got married in London.
Oh, okay. Tom and Susan. I remember that clearly. We met them at the engagement party, right?
Susan was his first wife. They were divorced 10 years ago. Don't worry, you'll be seeing Linda tonight.
Okay, I'll leave you two to it. Don't want to spoil the surprise.
Cake delivery for Emma? Where would you like it?
On the table, please.
I just need a signature here.
James, can you please sign for me?
Please sign here, sir. Just right here.
He couldn't even sign his name, let alone the anniversary. Alzheimer is taking a toll on him.
Attention, everyone. Attention. I propose a toast to our wonderful friends. You know, after 40 years of love and caring for each other, this is an accomplishment worth celebrating. And to that, I say, bravo, mes amis. Longue santé à vous. Et santé.
And here's to 40 years of love, laughter, and a lifetime of beautiful memories. Congratulations to you both. Cheers.
Cheers.
To Emma and James, what an amazing milestones that you have achieved. May your next 40 years be filled with even more incredible experiences for us all to learn from. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you all for coming to our anniversary party. Your presence means a lot to both of us. We appreciate the love and memories we have shared over all those years. Cheers.
Cheers to you, Emma. Cheers to you, and thank you. You've looked after James, cared for him, and put up with him over 40 years. You deserve congratulations.
He's not that difficult.
Oh, yes, he is. Yeah.
Hey, handsome. Are you enjoying the party?
It's a nice party, but I feel lost somehow.
Lost? Don't worry, James. I'm here for you. I love you. That's why we've been planning for days for this party. I want to make this party unforgettable for you.
Unforgettable? Why?
Why? Because this is our 40th anniversary.
40th anniversary? Sir, I don't remember.
I expected you. You might forget.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Just don't remember.
Hi, how are you doing these days?
Hi, Tom.
Yes, me. We were roommates at Weston. And this is Linda. We just got married last month.
Well, congratulations, Tom.
Thank you.
Congratulations to you as well.
Thank you, James. By the way, congratulations on your 40th anniversary.
What anniversary? Whose anniversary?
Hey James, 40th anniversary, fantastic.
Hey James, congratulations! Happy 40th anniversary! And happy anniversary to you! Congratulations!
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Oh, you're gorgeous.
Yeah.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Congratulations. Oh, so nice to meet you.
James, it's time to cut the cake. James? Where are you? James?
Has anybody seen James?
No.
I think I know where he is. Thank you. It's a bit too hot inside with so many people smoking.
Well, the music is a little too loud for my comfort. My name's James.
I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
I'll take it from here. Do you know the guy Tommy inside?
No, I don't.
He's my father.
Your father?
Just kidding. No, he's my roommate.
Uh-huh.
We go to Weston.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, which school do you go to?
University of Toronto.
Oh, that's too far.
Well, you can come down to Toronto.
Well, I can
Country.
drive. I can drive.
Uh-huh.
I just want to cook that.
Wow.
I'm just kidding.
Hey everybody, let's go look for James.
You found me.
You are my forever love.
Who are you?
James, I'm here for you. As we journey through Alzheimer's together, you're never alone. I'll stand by your side with love. You'll always be my forever love.